Today's the beginning of revamping an old shopping center. You know, I love retail, I love industrial, commercial. I love just about every kind of real estate there is that isn't residential. Because you get entrepreneurs, people that get in business, they're gonna survive no matter what. Something goes bad or goes wrong, they just jump gears and go into another business. So you can see this old place here, it's got a metal facade, it's got the old sign box signs, square box, and then where an ideal sign is kind of more popular, the letterbox, like you see the tattoo sign over here. We're gonna take this place and we are gonna revamp the asphalt. All this will get recoated. We're gonna stripe it, gonna get a paint job. You're gonna get black trim around all those signs that are up there. I'm updating, I'm actually buying some of my tenants new signs just to make the property look better, you know? We've got one vacancy that just came up over here, the massage parlor. And we'll take it, we're gonna paint the back, and we're just gonna make this thing look as good as possible, get the rents up. I hate to say it, we're gonna bring the rents up, and we're gonna sell this thing and make some money. Also, we're taking care of the vape shop. Yeah, so vape shops and crime, let me tell you something, they go together like that. I'm in one of my vape shop rentals. Of course, I don't own the vape shop, I own the real estate. That's all I ever want. I only want to own the four walls so that somebody else can do business. So look, vape shops get hit and busted into. This one was already broken into. The owner, of course, came back and he put in the heavy duty mesh, steel, and he put an investment out here. Here's the problem. When you have the heavy mesh, what the thieves do is they go to Kia and Hyundai cars because they're very easy to break into. They're known, you can start them practically with a screwdriver. So they'll steal a car and then they drive them through the front of the store when they have this kind of protection. So we have to take the next step. Let's take a look at what that is. So out here, you can see I've got some balusters we put in. These are heavy duty, about 3/16 steel. They'll be filled with concrete. They're going down 2 feet down into the ground. You can see we got a 10-inch hole cut, and these are 8-inch pipes that you see here. And you can see they set this pipe first. Down here, it's roughly, 32, 34, 39. So we're 39 inches high. And of course, I like everything nice and straight and clean. So they set this pipe first, that one, and then they adjust all the other pipes along the way so that they're all level and that they're all in line. So that's done. They got one more to do here. And maybe we'll see how they do that. You see the concrete, basically just drop it in and fill it in around, adjust it up, and make it nice and sound. But yeah, it isn't enough. You can see, look, got a camera up here. I can see this place all the time. I got 25 cameras now, watching various buildings from different angles, backside, rear. And you gotta watch thieves, it's a part of it. You know, I've had conduit cut off the roofs where they shut the power off, cut the conduit off the roof, pull the copper out. I've seen horrible closed shopping centers that they went in, they stripped the wires out of the lighting, took a $100,000 air conditioner apart for the brass and the copper. Just absolutely did. You know, for $10,000 worth of copper, they can do $100,000 worth of damage. But anyways, so we'll fill these all the way up and we'll even put a little round because we don't want them to be too comfortable to sit on, to be honest. We don't want people sitting on them, so we'll make them like a half round, like a half a ball. And then that'll just get painted yellow. You don't want somebody walking into them on accident. And you can see Victor here adjusting this. Oh, you already got one? What do you need? Oh, he's got a magnetic level. He doesn't need that one. But anyways, this is a part of it, you know, real estate, and you got to deal with thieves and you got to deal with theft prevention. If you're not in it, get into one of my mentorship classes. You can go to FlipAnythingUSA.com. See all the millionaires that have been created under my tutelage for the last 3.5 years. If you're 30, 40 years old and you're not a millionaire already, seriously, consider looking at real estate. It's the fastest way to get there. It's the cheapest education you'll ever pay for and the most profitable education that you'll ever get. I know I've been doing it since I was 19. That's 44 years now. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, bye.